Yeah, we can try the boss fight finally.
I'm scared.
We're going
So
to
if I
kill
get on my old
you.
pet,
Yes.
That's like the same level as
Yes.
white. No,
Yes.
don't say that.
Yes.
Yeah.
why isn't she taking my slime pet? Oh, there she goes.
Josh, just use the sword. Yo, I want that weapon. What is this?
Got it. Okay, here's a slime pet for you.
No, we are. That's true.
Bring down. What do you mean the house is
I'm gonna kick it soft.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Still going. Still going.
I think you should just start again. There's not much house left.
I mean, it still looks good. You get the idea.
Are you very dumb?
I don't want to do that yet.
See that mini cursor?
Cherry, good job. Oh yeah, man.
It worked.
We don't have any
Die.
poster in the house.
Die.
You guys, did you
Die.
guys learn any?
I do. But you can't have me.
You know,
Look, Ace, I got you this. Slimy pet.
how much damage does this do?
None.
Here, try it out.
I gotta tell you guys something. Come here.
No, you already killed me. I heard my slime pit go off.
Really?
Josh, yes.
Come here.
Josh, can I have my rocket back, please?
Yes.
Oh, that's just damage actually. That's it. Oh wait, I'm putting more in my outfit. I wonder why.
Hey,
Oh, you mean the blaster, rocket blaster?
yeah, get my rocket back. Are you ready?
For what?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Aha, does it work on me?
Josh,
No,
how much
take
I get?
this.
What the heck?
How much?
Too many.
118.
Go straight the hat.
4 out of 10? Rate mine.
I did better.
I see that.
We should stop letting them
It's a multi-purpose bomb.
It
Okay.
looks like a hair dryer.
Maybe submerge that. You
It
see
looks like a
the...
hair dryer. My arm is kind of like a subpar armor at the moment, so I'm trying to figure out what to do.
I got one shot with road.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you.
Mobzilla.
Awesome super attack.
You won't be one shot
Oh.
since we got the slide back there.
I need a slime pad.
Oh, here you go.
I think I find what else to look at.
Ace
Oh, no.
or Hato.
So you say you just want to try it again with the slime pets?
Yeah, we could try again with slime pets. Let's do it in a different dimension now.
I mean, we still have the one that's here. He's currently eating through a mountain because he's fighting a nightmare. I don't know.
Oh, never get Juggernaut pets in your inventory, kids.
Jug. But does it... Wait, does
We're
it be-
due.
If you just click it, then it will work.
Alright,
I
guys.
got you.
Let's go try and kill Mobzilla.
You
Let's see if we can save
stupid.
Horizon.
Oh, he should be able to.
I don't see him.
Oh, I hear him.
I did hear something.
I'm gonna charge you.
If you see a nightmare,
Rah!
it's you found it.
Come on. Going inside it.
Good luck going inside of it.
Oh yeah, he's still with us. Wait, is there a dragon going at it?
That's the nightmare that I spawned to knock it away.
Well,
I'm shooting the nightmare.
Oh,
Hold on.
gosh.
The nightmare's getting-
Rah! I'm gonna kill you now.
great, now
You
we have
did
deal
it
with two
to
bosses.
me,
Nightmare's
Ding.
fire.
It's Mobzilla that we
Time to
really
kill you
How
now.
much health does
With
Mozilla
my
even have? I don't like the
chainsaw.
fact that this nightmare keeps knocking it back. Who died?
Time to kill you now.
If you
Wee.
get close to Mobzilla, it'll step on you.
You're like, you're speaking from experience.
Wee.
Yes.
Yes.
Can we kill the nightmare, please? It's in the way.
I don't see the nightmare. Wait, Mobzilla still has full health.
I'm gonna
now-
kill your
now it
ass
works,
off.
okay.
Nightmare's dead. Alright.
I to be stupid. Wahaha.
I got it. Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, I just died. I died one.
Kevin, nakasign na Kevin.
Did your slime pet save you? So it works. How fast is it? You need your repair pads.
Eat these bullets. What can we do? We haven't got. Have we got anything that can use against this guy?
I don't think so.
Time to rescue the
This is gonna be a long
Time to kill you now.
Here we go. No problem. What was that?
Guys. I'm scared to get close with my... Oh wait, I need to spawn my dragons. Alright, dragons. I summoned you to help. Attack!
time to kill your ass off. Ah!
Good damage. Trying to think of other things I can use against this guy.
Oh! He just threw away. Oh, that's the tower you're talking about.
Where did he go? Guy,
You don't want to go get, you don't want to push him near that nuclear reactor.
That's a nuclear. Oh. Oh.
You guys continue to push him towards the nuclear reactor.
I'm still alive.
Did it just explode? Boy, what happened? He died.
Did it? Yeah, he died.
Wait, did he really?
Yeah, he died.
yeah, he gone.
He gone. Yeah, this entire not going anywhere near over. Hyper died.
Oh yeah, they did good. Oh no.
Oh my god, there's so many worms.
Oh no. Now I'm dead. Never mind.
Oh yeah, I just blew up.
My bones! Ouch!
I need to get back to my stuff.
How do we heal it?
Ah!
Getting that is almost impossible. No, they just glowing mushrooms, and I just don't know where to get them. You gotta
Huh?
you gotta nuke mushrooms.
Oh gosh, guys, I really don't want to die again. Not this way. I'm not feeling good.
Welcome being radiated.
Whoever thought radiation was a good idea in this mod pack? Nope. Bad idea.
Pretty crazy.
Okay.
Pretty crazy.
So Josh, let's see how much you're radiated. Right click this. What does it say?
962 rad. The gang, you know, typical my bro got off. And I'm dead.
Another comment, guys. Another comment that just has to react to.
There's another comment.
Oh boy, they're adding up here.
How many deaths we got at the moment?
4. Wait, Hyper, what'd you find?
I found Mozilla scales.
Wait, they dropped?
Yeah,
How many did you get?
51.
Wait, so does that mean we can make the armor and
We can make 2 sets of them.
does it have any
Oh
tools?
god. That
I think
hurt.
it's just
I'm
Sick,
still
okay.
alive.
That's one way to kill the Mobzilla, just have it run into a nuclear factory.
I suppose.
We can duplicate the scale with the duplication scale.
Alright, I'm gonna craft the Mobzilla armor.
I know there's more prisoners. You can't tell me there wasn't. Not there's one behind the house. Other next to the house. We're trying to chase, I think, Hyper down.
Oh my gosh, guys, I have Mobzilla armor. Let's go!
Come to-
Check me out! I feel, oh,
No.
I feel powerful.
I almost
That's
forgot.
yeah.
Who's radiated
Yeah, who's ready? Alright guys, doing it. I'm placing the World Guardian armor set.
Now we just need the queen and maybe one more set.
Okay, I got another slime pack.
Josh, do you feel stronger?
Mobzilla armor.
No, I know there's more prisoners. You can't tell me there wasn't. Not there's one behind the house. Other next to the house. We're trying to chase, I think, Hyper down.
Oh my gosh, guys, I have Mobzilla armor. Let's go! Check me out!
I would have done that.
Yeah, why me?
Yeah,
Oh, done so. There we go, now we have
This
Mobzilla,
one.
World Guardian, and what's the last one?
My plane is so broken.
We know where the people are. We still fighting. We don't need to fight.
Oh yeah, we should go find them. They go together against the Mobzilla.
I mean, who's really at the time of this?
Okay, where is the information? So this, alright, spawn the eggs right here in the front.
Right click the
Here we go, right click, and in we go.
Huh?
Oh,
My card.
You were happy.
Time to get it.
The king spawn is already in here.
Should I spawn them in? I mean, technically we have to kill them.
We have to kill him, dude.
Alright, well, get your pets ready.
Oh, they're ready. Oh, they're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Alright, here we go. Spawn it, go!
My friends are
Okay, great.
freaking dead.
Spam the bomb!
One at me. Well, wait, he killed me through my slime pad.
What? Okay, still at 27 HP. Oh, he's on me now.
I think we did damage already.
I'm doing 13 damage to him. It's so sad. Yeah, she's on me right now.
God, 38,000 no?
Yeah. I don't know if this is gonna kill him.